Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a signature PDF. To begin, open the specific PDF document you need to sign using your preferred PDF software, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader or a similar trusted tool. Once the document is fully loaded, take a moment to carefully review its content and precisely identify where your signature needs to be placed on the page. This initial step is crucial for an accurate and professional result. Once your document is open, navigate to the application's toolbar or menu to find the Fill and Sign or Sign option. These features are typically located in an intuitive spot, often marked with an icon resembling a pen or a signature. Clicking this specific button will activate the necessary tools, allowing you to prepare the document for adding your unique mark. This action readies your workspace for the next critical step. Now, you will choose how to generate your signature. Most software offers three main options: typing your name in a signature font, digitally drawing your signature using your mouse or trackpad, or uploading an existing image file of your handwritten signature. Consider which method will provide the most authentic and clear representation for your document. Carefully execute your chosen option, ensuring precision and readability. This step creates the digital asset you will place. With your digital signature now created, it will appear on your screen as a movable element. Carefully click and drag this signature to the exact line or box where it needs to be placed on the document. Once positioned, use the small handles at its corners to precisely resize it, making sure it fits neatly without overlapping any crucial text or information. Aim for a proportionate and professional appearance for a clean result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.